Welcome to the Computronic Support System tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to access the support system, raise a support request, and follow the progress of your request. To access the system, please contact your project manager or account manager to get a support desk sign-on. You will be sent an invitation email. Click the link in the email, and you will be taken to the registration screen. On the registration screen, your username will be set to your email address. You must specify your profile name. This is the name that will be displayed on your requests and comments. You must then specify a password. Finally, click Save and Continue. To log into the support desk, enter your username. Your username is the email address that you used to sign up with. Click Next. You must then specify a password. Click Login to proceed to the support site. If you should ever forget your password, click the Forgot Your Password link. An email will be sent to the email address that you used to sign up with. To edit your profile, click on your profile avatar at the top right. From here, you can edit your profile or log out. You can find articles that are related prior to creating a support request by entering information into the support bar. From the support bar, you can type keywords to see if a support article has been written about your request. From the main screen, you can select a request type from the list provided. Enhancement requests are optimized for project or product enhancements. Defect requests are optimized to handle the evaluation and prioritization of defects found. Performance requests are optimized to handle performance concerns for supported applications. Question requests are designed to facilitate the need for information outside the defect queues. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will enter a defect request. On this form, all the fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory fields. On the defect report, enter a brief summary of the defect. This is displayed in search results. In the description field, add as much information as possible. Who was logged in? What are the steps needed to reproduce the defect? Add any other relevant details, like requirements or other project documentation that is relevant. The description field is a rich text control. This allows colored text, bold text, and different font sizes as required. Any URL link included in this field must be accessible to Computronic staff. Screenshots can also be pasted here or in the attachments field below. The components field indicates which components of the application are involved in the defect. From the drop-down list, select the components involved. One or more components may be selected. Components may be deleted by clicking the black X beside the component name. Scroll down to see the rest of the report form. From the Where Found field, select the environment where the defect was found. Only one environment can be selected. While not required, severity helps with the prioritization of defects. Critical is used when the site is down, or there is a function that causes a system crash. High indicates a major impairment of at least one important function. Medium is used when minor functions are not working but there is a workaround. Low is for minor usability irritations. Only one may be selected. A description of severities is available below this field, for your reference. Impact is also not required, but it is helpful when determining priorities for defect resolution. Like severity, there are 4 levels of impact: extensive, significant, moderate, and minor. Only one may be selected. Screenshots or documents can be added as attachments. You can drag-drop a file, or use Ctrl-V to add a screenshot. You can add multiple attachments. If you are entering the issue for a different person in your organization, you can enter their name or email in the client contact field. They will receive notifications as if they had entered the issue. Click Send to submit the report. We have now submitted a defect report. An email will also be sent to the creator of the report to let them know that the report has been submitted. You can always communicate with the support desk by adding additional comments at any time. You can also add additional screenshots as well. Click Save and the support desk will be notified. All comments and activity will be tracked for the defect report. You can add additional comments at any time. You can retrieve your issue at any time from the Requests menu at the top right. Select Created by Me and select the issue from the displayed list. When reviewing the issue, the report details are minimized. You can view the expanded defect report by clicking Show Details. In this scenario, the support desk has asked for additional information. This is shown in the activity log. Because the support desk has asked for additional information, the report is in a status of requires clarification. If your notifications are turned on, you should have received an email informing you that this report required action. You can turn notifications on or off by selecting this link. First, we will supply additional information. When we have provided additional information, we can select this link to return the report to the support desk. In the comment field, you can attach documentation or comments. Select files and images to upload a document. A file selection window will open, where a file can be selected. Select the appropriate file, and the file will be uploaded to the report. You can add additional comments, or click Save. Now that the document has been provided, we will complete the request by selecting the Information Provided link on the right-hand side. The system will allow you to enter an optional comment. Click the Information Provided button to complete this step. The defect report has now been updated and automatically set back to a status of under investigation. You will notice that there is no further action required or available at this time. As the defect report progresses, you may be asked to provide additional information again or confirm that it has been solved. Once a defect report has been closed, you can search for it and reopen it from a link that will be available here. To search for defect reports or any other request, use the search function available from the top right of the screen. We will select Requests Created by Me. From the basic search results, there is the ability to find issues using the filters at the top of the search results. Request Contains is a text search and will reduce the search results to only the requests that contain the text provided. The status field will reduce the search results to only the requests that are in one of the selected statuses. The Request Creator field will reduce the search results to one of the request owner classifications. I can see requests that were created by me, requests where I was added as a participant, requests shared with my organization, or requests for a specific support desk, when I am a participant of more than one support desk. I can also reduce the search results to one of the request types. By default, all are shown, but by selecting one of the options, I can reduce the search results to the selected request types. You can also sort the requests by the reference ID or by requester name. For more advanced search features, click the Advanced Search button. The Advanced Search window is similar to the basic search window, but it does offer some additional features. The request filtering works identically to the basic search. The text search is to the right. An additional feature is that you can save this filter for future use by you, other individuals, or your organization. After you click Save Filter As, the filter setting window will open. Give the filter a name and determine if you wish to share this predefined filter with others. Then click Save Changes. Saved filters can be flagged as favorites, and then they will appear under the Favorite Filters grouping. All the links available on the left side of the search window provide quick access to predefined search filters. Another additional feature of the advanced search is that additional columns can be added to the search results. Click the Columns button to add additional columns. To remove a column from the search results, click the black X beside the column name. Columns can also be moved into a different order. Select a column. Drag the column into the preferred order. The columns will then be rearranged into the new order. If the search is saved as a filter, after the columns are reordered, the new order of the columns will be retained in the filter. Columns can be resized by hovering your mouse over the end or beginning of a column. A resize icon will appear. The final additional feature to discuss is the ability to modify saved filters and export search results. From the ellipsis beside the Save filter, you have access to several options. Selecting Save Filter As opens the same screen previously shown. Selecting Save Filter as Global creates a globally available filter for the currently selected filter. Selecting Filter Settings opens the filter screen for the currently selected filter. Selecting Delete at the bottom of the list will delete the currently selected filter. Finally, selecting Export to CSV allows for the export of the search results currently displayed. The Export to CSV allow for a number of options. These options will determine how the columns from the search results are separated. Select the Export button to download the search results. The exported CSV file can be opened, viewed and edited in most spreadsheet programs, such as Microsoft Excel. We hope this tutorial has been informative. For additional information, please talk to your Computronics project manager or account manager.